Hello everyone, thank you for watching my next video. So today I am unboxing the Victini Black Bolt White Flare box, and I'm also going to be unboxing the text sticker collection. The main reason I want to open this so badly is because I want to collect all of these for my cute and spooky binder. So I'm going to open the second. I'm going to start with this one because the Victini card is really adorable. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Thank you to everyone who has already followed my Instagram and subbed to my YouTube. I was like, is that what it's called? Yes. I appreciate it. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff that has arrived for me in the last couple of days. Like a hauntingly large amount of items have arrived. So that means more videos. Lots of videos. I was like, are we gonna keep everything closed? Hell no. Let's rip. So, big Victini card. It's really cute. I don't really dig the big cards, but we love the card. I love the artwork. It's really adorable. So, yep. Can't complain. Just getting these promos out. So we have this beautiful. Oh, it's so cute. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky. I ended up in hospital the other day, so I'm not feeling the best. This one is really, really cute too. I will sleeve everything up off camera, and yeah, code card. I don't know if anyone wants that kind of stuff, but I see people doing it, and I follow. So we've got two of each, two black, two white. Let's start with a light pack. So hopefully get faster at this. I don't know if there's a trick with these ones, and I know nothing of the cards, so go. I'm just going to do one from the back. So yeah, here we go. Hollow energy? I don't know if that's a good thing. Okay, a little scraggy. Oh. I'm not sure who that is, even though it says. He's really cute. Oh, that's kind of cool, kind of scary. Oh my god, my fingers don't want to grip the cards. Oh, she's cute, we love her. Oh yeah, this was in, I think, Chaos Rising he was. Who? Oh, pretty. Am I missing? Since it's so dark, I can't see that they're hollow. Okay. And Chops. He's the last one, I think? Yeah, okay. So that was our first pack. Let's do we'll go for this one. Black Bolt. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna I should have probably looked it up. How many cards to put to the front. But hey. Okay. So this one's not hollow. So other one must have been a bit. Some of the names are just wild to me. Oh my god, he's so cute. That one's going in the cute binder. Oh yeah, I love Amolga. Don't know, they them are adorable. Cute binder. She is beautiful. Why are there so many cute ones? There's not going to be any room for all of them. Unpheasant. I'm unfazed. Oh my god, the sparkle! I love him so much. That's a cute binder one. Oh, what do we have? Darmanitan? I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. I'm probably butchering this. But that's a beautiful little art rare. If it's an art rare, that's good. Oh, we're not done with the pack, but... And... Klinglang? Klinklang. And back to the start. Okay, so is it two? It's two from the back? Am I? It's two from the back. Sorry, guys. I promise you I'll get better at this. I'll get better, I swear. Okay. White or black bolts? We'll do the other white one. Sometimes they're so easy to open and other times it's like the actual biggest mission. Okay, code, boom. 1, 2. Probably gonna get it. Me about to say I'm gonna get it wrong. Jellicent. It's fucking cute. I love it. He is going in the cute pile. Okay, well, I fucked that one up, so... Energy, oh my god, yes, we love. Take this one. The cute pile. I'm trying not to get multiple cards stuck. Purloin, okay, so addicted to cats. Definitely going to the cute pile. Oh, Lily Pup. Cute pile. We're not sure about Tepig. You can stay back. Garbodor. No. He is cute. He's a maybe. Who am I to judge like this? But Levani. Plume fossil. Little hollow plume fossil. And then we have a Vullaby. It looks like a hollow, but it's not. Back to the beginning. Oh yeah, I've got the energy there. Okay. Well, that was rad. We got another art card. Last pack of the Black Bolts. Oh. No, this one doesn't want to open. Struggles. Okay. Beep. One from the back. Not a hollow. Okay, so that first one, I don't know, that was a hollow blue. It was a hollow water energy, so... Oh my god, cute. What is going on here? Oh! Yeah. Love her and like the evolution. Oh, Snivy. Or Snivy? No, Snivy. I think. I don't know. Stuck. Oh my god, who's this? Panpour. You're very cute. You're coming with me. He's scary. I would not mess with him. I'm not actually bending the cards, by the way, guys. I'm just like pulling it forward a little bit. So this is, yeah, not going in my cute pile. I'm sorry. Oh no. Ooh. Scolipede. And he's like regal as well. We love that. Braviary. Braviary. Oh, a pretty little hollow. Oh, that's the same little one we got before. Feels so nice. And the same Cling Clang. It's a holo, I think. And then Conclador. A little holo. Cute. Okay, well, we've got lots of cute cards. I got the 2 pulls. So yeah, I'll pause before I open the blister pack. Okay, time for this one. I always feel bad opening blister packs now. But that promo, I want that promo. It's too pretty. Be careful! Be careful! Okay. Stickers. I love all 3 of them. And lovies. Code card. Beautiful promo. Look at that shine. Oh, the dark cards when they shine. It's just nothing like it. Yeah, I hate myself too. Okay, we got 3 white flare packets. So let's do it. I think my main problem is that I'm like slow when I pull the cards because like my fingers just can't grip them. My god, it's like feels textured. Okay, we've got red energy. So cute. Is this little that's going on the cute pile? Oh yeah. Frillish. Oh, I thought this was what the different one. The oh god, I can't remember. Why are they all so cute? That's a maybe. It's so cute. It's a maybe as well. I feel like I got 2 cards. These clay ones buzz me out. I feel like I already put her in the cute pile. Maybe I did, I don't know. We'll see. Zeb Striker. I usually love the electric Pokemon. Ooh! Oh, that's Shelmet. Lipard. She's going in the cute pile. For sure. Ooh! Oh, I have like multiple of this EX from another set. I can't quite remember what one, but we'll take the win. I really wish I got into Pokemon earlier. Like, other than when I was a kid. Because, oh, we got another shiny energy. Because there's so many cool packs. Like, cool sets. Oh my god, he's so cute. Cute pile. That's actually really, really terrifying. But I love it. But like, not going in the cute folder, sorry bro. Nope. No, you guys, they're really trying to get me to be one with this card. Oh, little baby. Again. Again. Got the dupes today. Ooh. Okay. That's Shelmet's older brother. The scary one, but hollow. This dude. Ember. He looks badass, eh? What a dude. Alright. We're on to our last pack, y'all. Last pack. Come on, give us some magic. Let's do kisses. We need some good luck. And if nothing happens, we got the EX, and the promo is like legit the thing that I wanted in the pack. So, ooh, I like these hollow energies. Oh, another one of these. Another one of these, guys. Another one of these. Okay. You're cute. And you're the brother. So you can go in the cute pile. Oh, see, picking up two. Oh no. No, haunting me. From, I think Chaos Rising. Another Garbodor. Whatever his name is. Another one of these little babies. Ooh. I love that. You're going in the cute pile, and it's a little hollow. Oh, another, is this the Pharaoh Seeds in the Chaos Rising set. So hollow Pharaoh Seed. And she's pretty. She's gonna go in the pretty set. And that's it. Well, for how expensive everything was, it's a little bit of a bummer, but we take what we can get, and we got, what, 1, 2, 3, I mean, with the promos, it's pretty mean. Yeah, Jagger thinks so too. Yeah, I don't know, you guys can't see him. But, I'm just stoked about this promo, to be honest. This one right here. But this is what we got. And then I've got all these little babies that are definites in the cute pile. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I have some Ascended Hero stuff to open, some more Black Bolt White Flare, is it? Yep, stuff to open, and yeah, I'll also do some, like, maybe some binder videos at some point, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.